Good morning, friend. Myself, Professor K.S. Banker, Assistant Professor in Government Engineering College, Madasa. And today we will discuss about the GATE examination example, which I was taken from the GATE 2016 set number 1. And the example is related to tool life. The tool life equation for HSS tool is Vt raised to 0.14, F raised to 0.7 and D raised to 0.4 is equal to constant. The tool life T of 30 minutes is obtained using the following cutting condition. V is equal to 45 meter per minute, F is equal to 0.35 mm and D, that is depth of cut, is 2.0 mm. And one statement is given in the example: if speed V, feed F and depth of cut D are increased individually by 25%, the tool life in minute is, and the option are A, B, C and D. So in example, we have given one condition, that is Vt raised to 0.14, F raised to 0.7 and D raised to 0.4 is equal to constant. And also we have the T1, that is 30 minute, V is equal to 45 meter per minute, feed is equal to 0.35 mm and depth of cut is 2.0 mm. So as per the given equation, we can find out the tool life. So we have one equation, that is V1 T1 raised to 0.14, F1 raised to 0.7 and D1 raised to 0.4 is equal to constant. Now we can put the values of speed, feed and depth of cut in this equation. So speed is 45 mm meter per minute, so 45. Time is given 30 minutes, so sorry, time okay, life, that is 30. Then feed is 0.48, so 0.35 raised to 0.7 and depth of cut, that is 2.0 is equal to constant. So from this equation we can find out the value of constant. So C is equal to 45 into 30 raised to 0.14 is equal to 1.61. Then 0.35 raised to 0.7, that is 0.48. And 2 raised to D raised to 0.4, 2 raised to 0.4 is equal to 1.32. So that C is equal to 45.90. Now we can put the another value in the equation in conditions: if speed, feed and depth of cut are increased individually by 25%. So we can write like this: V2, this is for one condition number 1. Now V2 T2 raised to 0.14, this is F2 feed 0.7, then depth of cut 0.4 is equal to, we can write constant over here also, 45.90, which we have also already calculated. Now put the value of this 25% of speed, feed and depth of cut in this equation, so we will get the life of tool life T2. So here V2, as per this equation, V2 is equal to 25% increase. So V2 is 1.25 into 45. Then F2 is equal to 1.25 into F2 is what? 0.35. So 0.35, and D2 is equal to 2. Okay, depth of cut is 2. So 1.25 into 2. Okay, so put all these value in this equation. So we get 1.25 into 45 T2 raised to 0.14, then 1.25 into 0.35, the value of feed raised to 0.7, and value of depth of cut, that is 1.25 into 2 raised to 0.4 is equal to C, 45.90. So 1.25 into 45, 56.25 into T2 raised to 0.14. Then the multiplication of this is 0.561, and the multiplication of this n raised to 0.4, that is 1.44 is equal to 45.90. So T2 raised to 0.4 is equal to, you will get the 1.016. Now to get this value of 0.4 T2 raised to 0.4, so from this you will get the value of T2, but for that you just take the log from both the side. So log T2 raised to 0.4 is equal to log 1.016. Okay, so here you can write like this, we have taken the log, so 0.4 will become this side, 0.4 log T2 is equal to, the value of log 1.016 is 0.0069. So log T2 is equal to, this 0.4 comes over here at the division side, so 0.0069 divided by 0.4, so you will get the 0.01725. So the T2 is equal to inverse log of this, so you will get the 1.04 approximately. Okay, 1.04. So in the data, the options are 0.15, 1.06, 22.50 and 30.0. So it is near about your answer number B. So you can take it, T2 is equal to 1.06. Okay, so your answer is 1.06. So time taken or tool life of the tool life is 1.06 minute. Okay, so your option is D. Okay, if you have any doubt, then please comment me in the comment box, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Till then, thank you very much all of you.